Welcome to BBBBB. I'm BBBB, and today we're counting down the 25 wildest scientific discoveries of 2024 that you probably missed. From planets that could harbor life to ancient cities under deserts and even glowing plants, this year was packed with breakthroughs. Grab a snack, hit that like button, and let's dive into the top discoveries that redefined our world in 2024. Number 25. Astronomers using NASA's TESS satellite found a super-Earth, TOI 715b, just 137 light-years away. It's about 1.5 times the size of Earth and sits in the habitable zone, prime real estate for liquid water. We don't know if it has water or an atmosphere yet, but finding a rocky world in the perfect spot is a huge leap in our search for another Earth. What else could be hiding in our galaxy's quiet corners? Number 24. Planet-forming disks aren't flat. They're warped and tilted, as revealed by the ALMA telescope. This cosmic wobble could explain why planets like Earth have their unique orbits and tilts, making solar system formation a chaotic, dynamic process. It's time to rethink how planetary systems are born. Number 23. 3 new moons were discovered, 1 around Uranus, 2 around Neptune. They're tiny, faint, and have bizarre orbits, only spotted by stacking hundreds of images. Even in our own solar system, there are still secrets waiting to be found. Number 22. The drug. Lenacapavir showed a 100% success rate in HIV prevention trials. It's a twice-yearly injection, not a daily pill, making prevention simpler and more accessible. This could transform global HIV prevention, especially where daily medication is a challenge. It's not just an improvement, it's a paradigm shift. A major public health victory may be within reach. Number 21. A study found that Alzheimer's might, in rare cases, be transmissible. Patients treated decades ago with contaminated human growth hormone developed early-onset Alzheimer's, likely seeded by amyloid beta proteins in the injections. It's a haunting reminder of how past medical practices can have unforeseen, lasting consequences. Our understanding of disease transmission just got more complex. Number 20. In Sumatra, a wild orangutan named Raucus treated his wound with a medicinal plant known for its healing properties. He chewed the leaves, applied the pulp, and healed without infection, showing animals may have their own medical knowledge. This is the first documented case of a wild animal using a plant to treat an open wound. Watching our primate cousins could lead to new medicines. Number 19. Scientists created glow-in-the-dark succulents using special nanoparticles absorbed through the roots. These particles store sunlight by day and emit a gentle glow at night, no batteries or plugs needed. It's called plant nanobionics, and it could lead to self-powered lighting and living art, nature and technology glowing together. Number 18. In Patagonia's Cueva Huenul, archaeologists found nearly 900 cave paintings created over 3,000 years. Generations returned to this cave, adding to a collaborative masterpiece and passing down traditions through art. It's the oldest rock art in the region, revealing the cultural complexity of ancient societies. Imagine a museum curated for millennia. Number 17. Ground-penetrating radar revealed a massive ancient city buried under the Sahara. Huge structures and irrigation systems suggest a thriving civilization where we once saw only desert. Excavation could rewrite the history of ancient Africa. Number 16. In Israel, scientists found a 140,000-year-old child fossil, a direct hybrid of Neanderthal and Homo sapiens parents. It's the earliest physical evidence of interbreeding, making our shared history more intimate and complex. Our ancestors weren't just rivals, they were family. Number 15. Scientists in Kazakhstan made ice cream from horse milk, a twist on the traditional drink kumis. Horse milk is rich in proteins and peptides that act as prebiotics, feeding good gut bacteria. The ice cream retained these benefits, showing traditional foods can inspire modern health solutions. It's a weird idea, but it could be the next gut health trend. Equine vanilla bean, anyone? Number 14. Waxworm caterpillars can digest polyethylene, the world's most common plastic. Their saliva contains enzymes that break down plastic at room temperature. Scientists hope to replicate these enzymes to tackle plastic waste on a massive scale. These humble caterpillars could help clean up our planet. Number 13. The heart cockle seashell has tiny transparent windows and internal channels that work like fiber optic cables. These channels funnel sunlight to algae living inside, letting them photosynthesize in dim seafloor light. Nature invented fiber optics millions of years before us. For solar farming, not communication. Sometimes the best engineering ideas are already in nature. Number 12. The glass frog becomes nearly invisible when it sleeps by hiding 90% of its red blood cells in its liver. This transparency helps it blend in and avoid predators. Understanding this could inspire new medicines and camouflage tech. Number 11. Scientists mapped every neuron and connection in a fruit fly's brain, the most complex brain map ever. Flies share many neural principles with humans, so this connectomy is a huge step toward understanding how brains work. It's like finally getting the full wiring diagram for a computer. This could help crack the code of human thought. Number 10. Scientists discovered a new yeast, Kazakhstania weizmanni, that fights the deadly fungus Candida auris. The yeast prevents Candida from forming dangerous biofilms, acting as a natural microbial defense. This could lead to new probiotic therapies against drug-resistant infections, microbial warfare on our side. Number 9. Snails are attracted to red and repelled by garlic, scientists found. Farmers can use red traps and garlic sprays for eco-friendly pest control. It's a simple, low-tech solution to protect crops without chemicals. Sometimes nature's answers are the best. Number 8. Scientists identified a brain protein, FTL1, that regulates aging. Boosting FTL1 in old mice reversed cognitive decline, making them act younger. This could lead to therapies for age-related brain decline. The fountain of youth might be in our brains. Number 7. A new gene editing technique lets scientists fine-tune a plant's own immune system for disease resistance. Edited crops showed increased resistance to blights and fungi, reducing the need for pesticides. It's a quiet revolution for sustainable agriculture. Our food supply just got a powerful upgrade. Number 6. A fossil once thought to be a squid ancestor turned out to be a ferocious worm with terrifying jaws. This discovery rewrites its evolutionary history, moving it from mollusks to worms. In science, new evidence can flip the story overnight. Number 5. Scientists found microplastics in deep human tissues, including the brain and lungs. The health effects are unknown, but this moves plastic pollution from an environmental issue to a direct human health concern. Our plastic waste is coming back to haunt us. Number 4. Scientists created plant-inspired molecules that mimic photosynthesis, turning sunlight, water, and CO2 into clean fuel. The process is efficient and could lead to fuel farms that work like leaves. Artificial photosynthesis is closer than ever. Number 3. A new ankylosaur species was found with massive forward-curving neck spikes. These blade-like structures force us to rethink the diversity and defenses of armored dinosaurs. Even familiar dinosaurs still have surprises. Number 2. Bearded dragons can switch sex if their eggs are incubated at high temperatures. Scientists identified genes that override the genetic blueprint, turning genetic males into functional females. This reveals how temperature can control sex in reptiles, a process threatened by climate change. Life's flexibility is astonishing. Number 1. Scientists finally identified the cause of sea star wasting disease, a bacteria related to Vibrio cholera. Warmer oceans help the bacteria thrive, leading to mass die-offs. Pinpointing the pathogen gives conservationists a target to help protect sea stars. Solving this mystery could save an iconic species. 2024 was a wild ride, from new Earths and lost cities to invisible frogs and the mystery of melting sea stars. These discoveries show science is alive, full of wonder, and always pushing boundaries. Which story blew your mind? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more science adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.